Hi, good morning. Welcome to our daily discussion on structural and grammatical accuracy in English writing. In this 20th session, you are going to identify and rectify errors in the uses of comparisons. When making comparisons of adjectives and adverbs in English, note these 3 points. Number one, see to it that the compared elements, that is, the persons or things compared, are equal. Number two, when a person is compared to the rest of a group to which they belong, see to it that that person is distinguished from that group. Number three, when two degrees of comparisons are used in the same sentence, see to it that the pairs of conjunctions for each degree of comparison is complete, not partial. You will understand these points when you see these examples. The front elevation of this building is more attractive than that building. Look at the compared elements here. In the first part, it is front elevation. In the second part after than, it is that building. You cannot compare elevation and building. You can only compare elevation and elevation. How do you rectify? By using the pronoun that of after the conjunction than. That is the usual method. Read this sentence correctly now. The front elevation of this building is more attractive than that of that building. Now you are comparing the elevation of this building with the elevation of that building. That is the correct comparison. Second example. Rani has exhibited her multitasking skills more than all the girls in her class. The comparison here is between one person, Rani, and the rest of the group, all the girls in her class. Look at the word all the girls. If it is all the girls, that includes Rani also. That is the incorrect comparison. You cannot compare one person with all the girls because all the girls includes Rani also. So you have to distinguish Rani from the rest of the group. How? By adding the word other after all the, or adding other before the word girls. It should be all the other girls, then the sentence becomes correct. Rani has exhibited her multitasking skills more than all the other girls in her class. Now the comparison is correct. The third sentence. Ajay's business sense is as sharp, if not sharper, than theirs. Look at the two degrees of comparisons. As sharp is positive, sharper than is comparative. For the comparative degree, you have the pair of conjunction sharper, and there the comparison is complete. The pair of conjunction is complete. But for the positive degree, the conjunction is not complete. It should be as sharp as sharp as. Only then the conjunction is complete. That's how you have to read it now. Ajay's business sense is as sharp as, if not sharper than, theirs. Now, both the degrees of comparisons have the proper pairs of conjunctions. That is how you make the correct comparison. Now, let's see this sentence for spotting the error. You can do it now since you have seen the examples. The standard of living in India is still lower than most of the developed countries. The phrase is the standard of living in India. The real subject is standard. That standard is compared with what? Developed countries. So the comparison is unequal. How would you make the comparison equal? The elements equal. Standard and standard. Standard of most of the developed countries and the standard of living in India. These should be compared. So this is how we can correct. The standard of living in India is still lower than that of most of the developed countries. The standard of living in India is still lower than that of the standard of most of the developed countries. Let's see a few more examples. The influence of the print media in bringing about social and cultural changes is much more powerful than the electronic media. Once again, here the phrase influence of the print media, the real subject is influence. In the second part, it is the electronic media. Influence and media cannot be compared, they are unequal elements. So you have to compare only influence of the print media and the influence of the electronic media. Only these two things can be compared. Now rectify the sentence. The influence of the print media in bringing about social and cultural changes is much more powerful than that of the electronic media, than the influence of the print media. That is the meaning. This is the next type of error. Mary is smarter than anybody in her class. That anybody includes Mary also. It's an error in comparison. So make it anybody else. Anybody else. That way you distinguish Mary from the rest of the group. Mary is smarter than anybody else in her class. That is the correction. The next type of error, degrees of comparison in the same sentence. Shiva's computer skills are as good, if not better than those of the other applicants. So once again, this comparative degree, you have the complete pair of conjunctions better and than. The pair of conjunctions complete, but as good, it remains incomplete. You have to put the conjunction as there after good. You should be as good as. Only then the pair of conjunction is complete. Now read the sentence. Shiva's computer skills are as good as, if not better than, those of the other applicants. Now you have provided the complete conjunctions for each degree of comparison. The facilities available for the rural students are fewer than urban students. He thinks he is more intelligent than all the boys in the class. He is the strongest and very tall boy in the whole college. These are 3 sentences for your exercise at home. Remember the points we made at the beginning of this session. Identify the error and rectify the error. We will see the next sentence tomorrow. Bye.